Whatever fethu, those abantu on the screen here, we come again with another episode of Football Fusion. Nandiyazi bafethu angihambi ngedwa ngihamba no.
Shapho fethu kunjani kamera mengithini focus wela Mswati lo mnanzi Football Fusion sibuyile.
Yeah bafethu, on today's episode sizobe si-reviewer game ye-Kaizer Chiefs. Yesterday there was a league match between Kaizer Chiefs and Durban City. So we'll be reviewing that game. Namhlanje ngibuyisile from the dust, from the from the ashes. He's back. Yeah. He's back for only this game. Yeah. What's your take, man? What's your take? It's your team. I just want you to give us insight on this one. What's your take on the game? The experience of going to the stadium.
Yeah, it's been a while.
Share those things with our supporters and our viewers, because we actually, a lot of people would, but they must.
Yeah.
What's your take, man? We're there early. That's why.
Yeah. The game had to be delayed because you came late, so we had to wait for you guys that were coming late. So it's not good for our football guys. We must learn to be on time, eh? Directed to you as well. So yeah, but being at the stadium was good, a very good experience, a very good environment. So the atmosphere was very beautiful, né? Yeah.
You used to highlight. There are no highlights.
There are no highlights there. 1 second is a goal, like, hey, who scored? You don't know. Yeah, but it's quite nice to be live in the stadium and watch these games, you know. Yeah. Going to the game itself, né? The problem with us fans, sometimes you just look at the score and don't want to call what it is, like how it is, you know. I think it's a game that Durban City came prepared for. I don't think they gave Kaizer Chiefs the freedom to be in charge of that game. Yeah. So like pound to pound, pound to pound, I think they matched us. Because if you look like in the middle of the park, I think they were able to not make Ungqobo be able to play. Ungqobo baphasakhe nje bayangafiki la kumele aye khona. Khona laba bathatha ibhola aziphasa phetayo, they nearly scored. So Ungqobo was pressed ukuthi akakhona ukudlala. So you can see they knew ukuthi mabamba Ungqobo, these people won't do anything. Yeah. For the fact, okay, umthetho I clean job okay lapha. Clean job.
Also made some.
Yes.
He didn't have a good game for me.
Yes, not a good game, but be clean language.
As usual.
Yes. That would be clean. Like pass, but it's something like but I think proper game he had. Not one of the best, but cleaning the shy. Because Mubugi Chiefs was not even causing threat.
Both teams.
Yes.
For me, the Durban City came into this game to play the Chiefs.
Yes.
They were playing Chiefs, but they were there to try and stop you.
Yes.
Not impose their game.
Exactly.
Yeah. And then that's not good. For me, it's not
good. Even now, they were not a threat.
Rather do that and try to hit a team on a counter. But you couldn't see. You're wondering, there are players which I'm very disappointed on, because I'm thinking that they are given a lifeline, like Mashero.
Mashero.
Yes, I was wondering who is that player. Then when I look at the lineup, wow, Mashero look, was down. Oh, Jesus Christ!
I got prove, man.
It's not good. It's not good, honestly speaking. But take nothing away from the game that Kaizer Chiefs played as well. I think the game was balanced in a way.
How to bad be it's like Kaizer Chiefs now. Which was a cross and a head. So I don't think
it came out of nowhere.
Exactly.
There was no threat.
Yes.
From both sides.
Yes.
There were no threats. Like you couldn't tell that this team wants to score now.
So I think meaning saying with that game, it's like a 0-0 type of thing. I was like, okay, we're playing it through. But obviously, I think Usirino did make it different coming in.
Yeah, true.
He did make it different because I think he learned to be with those crosses and all that. But Vilagazi,
but it's a different game. I think Uvilakazi wasn't there to supply him crosses. He was there to affect play,
Yes,
right?
yeah,
This one, Bambege Lapa solely because you want to steal the game, and
yes,
it worked in your favor in that time. Because remember, Pelu, even your scorer is a person that we say is not good on the ball,
yes.
but anything, just tap in, you will score.
So it
Or
was.
anything.
So we can say it was a good change from the coaches.
Yeah,
Because we can say they read the game and say, okay, this is not working. Now, how we're gonna steal the game? We need a Sereno, we need a cross, we need a Silva there,
yeah,
type of thing,
yeah.
and it worked.
It was it was good. It
Yeah,
was good in that
but we need to be honest with some cases, just players. I can for it.
sense. Like who?
Like Ulilepo. You know Ulilepo Bampreza are cool, but he's giving us fuck all.
He's a star player.
He's giving us fuck all, man.
Why is
That guy is giving us fuck all. Kumele ahlale ebhentshini relax.
yeah.
You know, that guy for me, I think he was right as a figure, but I think sekulakhanda go to the
No,
Chiefs.
ufuna ukuthi ajele.
Yes,
Coaching. That's why coaching.
yes,
Because coaching is there on the bench. It's like us in a way, even though Yana is more technical, but is the right person to tell the players.
exactly.
Well, look at Umdu. Look at the performance that
Yo.
Umdu gave yesterday. That shows that he's
Bafana player.
He's a coachable boy. That one. So we encourage whatever coaches they should point out that players do right.
Yes,
Because not only it helps the team, but it helps the player grow as
yes,
well.
yes, yes.
Yeah.
Because uyabona kufana badlala abafana nabo cross umlungu. Uyabona ukuthi naye is coachable.
It's coachable.
Uyabona and we perform on my card.
Exactly.
You see those players, yeah.
Also that one.
Umakat. Who was the man of the match?
I didn't see. I mean,
Yeah, what are they still of going to the stadium now? We don't know who's the man of the match. But yeah, Umakat for me now, he had a good game.
Yeah.
Umakat Umlungu. Actually, yeah, they had a good game. So
Yeah.
congratulations to Kaizer Chiefs Uguti winning. But obvious we can only work from there to do better. Because performance was we were not wow. We were just a big team that collected maximum points as expected. But yeah.
There's a back to default.
Don't be jealous.
I think I will give you time.
Don't be jealous.
What should I be jealous for? Because you know who I am.
Yeah, lucky enough.
I am.
Today we will be watching Mamelodi Sundowns and Orlando Pirates.
Yeah, because we are my supporters the Sundowns. I feel no good. We will share it depends because they want it back up from you. It's Ozani nonke.
Long lag.
Yeah.
Before we close, Ikodaro is a very good striker. Who knows football?
But he didn't have a good
game. Yes, but inkinga yakhe ukuthi uyayidlala le bhola. So ubani ozokora because uyayidlala yena. So yabo Silva we say is not good.
For me, I don't think it's fair to judge him on this game to say that he won't score. Because he's a good striker.
Very good.
Good striker, not just only ball playing. He's a good striker. He has a killer instinct. It's just now, phases a game. Yes, I think he scored in some of the. Or was it the previous game that you played?
Yeah,
he scored, but let's give him time.
Yeah. I think he'll be fine. He's
a very good striker.
Correct.
Yeah, very good striker. He didn't have a good game yesterday.
Yeah,
and we can't judge him based on that.
Because we still can't say Silva is the best striker just because he scored.
I'm saying this guy's he scored.
Now I'm not convinced what is the best striker guy.
But for a moment of an he shows up because even in the game against Golden Arrows, it was the same thing. So give credit to him.
We shall see.
Yeah, guys, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to comment. Keep those likes, man. It goes a long way. We'll see you on another one.
Certified